Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and we are starting off 2023 with a bang and changing it up. Check out this brand new Model X that we just finished wrapping in Inozetek Super Gloss Khaki Green. I love this color, and you know what? We've never done it before. Last year was all about chalk gray, which was amazing, but things are changing over here at T-Sportline, and our customers also, I think, maybe are looking to be a little bit more different. I love this color. What do you guys think? Super Gloss Khaki Green. Do you like it over the chalk color? I'd love to hear some comments below which one you prefer. But getting back to this vehicle, we wrapped all the exterior panels, as you could see. I think it's absolutely cool. It's fresh and looks very different. I've never even seen it done before. And then to go ahead and take it to the next level, this Model X actually came with 20-inch wheels, which I think are a little small looking for the car. So we went ahead and fitted it with our 22-inch TSV wheels, finished in Satin Black. We used the original Tesla recommended 22-inch Pirelli tire. It's a perfect fit for the car, as you can see. And that's one of the unique things about our wheels, is that they are designed to use the original Tesla recommended tires and mounting hardware, so it's an easy install. Lastly, we went ahead and we tinted the windows. And as you know, Model X, they get hot, right? There's so much glass, and if you use 3M crystalline film, which is what we recommend, it is the finest window tint film in the industry, it will actually cool your interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot days, while providing you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and protect your interior. And that's it. She looks great. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.